Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Monday and we're starting off once again here with SPY. And we're seeing some pretty big rejection here at this zone still. It's really trying to push up through it, but yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure going on there. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. I did mention that I thought this could be a potential long at this small little support zone here. Luckily I did not take this trade because it did dump down to this lower level around 27,000. So still trying to find a support here. It could continue to fall down, but as I've said a few times, I think, you know, since this is such a huge major zone, it's gonna probably continue to press up against it if it wants to move up. So we're gonna have some ups and downs here if it does continue to push up. On to Forex. AUD/JPY has dropped down into profit. Still has a way to go though. AUD/NZD, this one hasn't entered yet. It just continued to move upward. Starting to get rejected at this $100, so it's probably on its way down now. GBP/USD starting to move up after hanging out in this support zone forever. Same with Euro/USD. This one's having an even bigger bounce though, so hopefully that continues. CAD/JPY. I'm glad I kept my stop above this high here because now it's down back into this zone. We're hoping it'll continue to fall from there. CAD/CHF has not entered. It's just in a huge free fall mode right now. I think I'd like to move my entry back to here, but it may not revisit here. As you can see, we had this wick here that I could probably consider the bottom of the zone. We had this candle come back and retest that, so that was probably the moment I missed out on for a retest, but anyway, NZD/USD did exit in profits. I kept this profit target that I originally had. I was thinking about moving it up a little bit, but I went ahead and held on to it, and it did work out, which was nice. GBP/JPY it's on its way up to this resistance zone here. Hoping it hits my entry and gets rejected at that zone. USD/JPY was exited in profits. Did just pop right over that zone like I was hoping it would, and is now still trying to either continue up or get rejected there. So AUD/CAD narrowly missed my stop here, but I think it's definitely gonna stop out shortly. I may just go ahead and exit this trade because it does look like it's doing a bounce on the retest here. So GBP/CHF is in drawdown, but you know, we're still in this zone, so could see it start to bounce here at some point. UAD did struggle to get past this zone before, but it came down, had another bounce off this zone, and that's all it took to get it into my target. So NZD/JPY, I think I was waiting for it to come to this zone up here, but it fell, and it's probably gonna have another while to get back up there. USD/CHF, I thought this could be a good zone to take a buy at. It is in a downtrend, so it may be a bit smart for me to wait and see if it just falls through the zone and take a short there or something, but I have seen it before where even if it does make a lower low than this, it'll have like a nice bounce right after. So sometimes shorts don't work like that very well. So I think that's all for today. Make sure to leave a comment of what you guys been trading and hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching.